Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the color for the theme on Opera GX. And to do this we'll need to click on the gear icon to the left side of our screen, or click on the Opera logo and navigate to the settings. You can also click on Alt plus P. Then on the top you should see the theme. Here we're using dark theme. Then you can change between different colors for your theme, or go for configuration and use a different color configurations, and also enable the advanced configuration. And here you can use different RGB for your Opera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.